Are you a high net worth individual? No, then you need to watch this video. Yes, then you for sure need to watch this video. Wealth management is one such topic that needs someone to clear the enigma around it. Let's see if our friend Sam can find solution to his peculiar problem in this video.
What if you could make your money work for you, even while you sleep? Imagine the world of wealth management. It's not just for the super rich, but for anyone who earns, like our friend Sam. Sam is a hardworking individual who has recently started earning a decent income. Wealth management is all about making your money grow, managing risks, and planning for a secure future. It's about making smart decisions today that pay off tomorrow. But how does Sam make his money work for him? Let's uncover the mystery of wealth management. Sam, like many of us, had no idea how to manage his wealth. Working hard, he had earned a decent income and saved diligently. Yet the growing pile of savings seemed like a riddle he couldn't solve. His money was idle, not creating more wealth. He needed a roadmap, a plan. That's when Sam stumbled upon the concept of wealth management. At first, the jargon was overwhelming. Financial goals, risk assessment, tax planning, estate planning, it all seemed too complex. But Sam was determined. He started by setting financial goals, both short-term and long-term. He understood the importance of assessing risks before making any investment decisions. He learned about tax planning to maximize his savings. And he realized that estate planning was crucial to secure his loved one's future. Through this journey, Sam discovered that wealth management was not just about stashing away money. It was about strategizing, optimizing, and maintaining financial discipline. Sam soon learned that managing wealth was not just about saving money, but making it grow. With newfound knowledge, Sam embarked on his journey of wealth management. It wasn't about amassing a fortune overnight, but about making informed decisions that would shape his financial future. Sam started by setting clear financial goals, assessing risks, and planning for taxes and his estate. These key components served as the pillars of his wealth management strategy. As he started implementing these strategies, the magic of wealth management unfolded before his eyes. His returns were optimized, not through reckless risks, but through balanced and strategic investments. He mitigated potential financial threats, shielding his wealth from unforeseen circumstances. Perhaps most importantly, he developed a disciplined approach to his finances, paving the way for a secure future. Yet this magic isn't exclusive to Sam or the wealthy. It's a magic that can touch the lives of us all, regardless of our financial standing. Sam's story proves that understanding and managing your wealth is the key to financial freedom. But Sam didn't do it alone. He had help. In his journey towards financial freedom, Sam sought the expertise of a professional wealth manager. This skilled guide provided personalized solutions tailored to Sam's unique financial goals and risk tolerance. The wealth manager's seasoned advice was key in navigating the complex world of finance, offering clarity amidst confusion. This expert assistance played a pivotal role in optimizing Sam's returns while mitigating risks. With the right knowledge and guidance, Sam made his money work for him. So can you. So, does wealth management still sound like a concept only for the rich and famous? Not at all. We've unraveled the enigma of wealth management, followed Sam's journey, delved into its magic, and highlighted the power of professional guidance. It's clear that wealth management, with its holistic approach and tailored solutions, is crucial for everyone. It's about financial discipline, optimizing returns, risk mitigation, and setting clear financial goals. Remember, wealth management is not a luxury, but a necessity, and it's never too early or too late to start your journey.
Did we manage to clear some air around the concept of wealth management? Many banks do provide private banking services to their HNI clients, but this concept is not only for the wealthy. Each one of us needs to take some clue from it to make our money work for us. And we are here to provide further insights into the world of finance. So, until we meet, cheers!